So today I'm doing lab 3 and it's for computer network lab. So for this lab, the first part we have to install the ping plot. So we have to first use this ping plotter pro, and I have already completed this part. So if we want to edit the bytes, we have to go in options and then in engines. Over here we have to change the bytes. We have to do 56, 2000 and 3000 and 3500. So let's move to the first question. So it says that first ICMP echo request message sent by your computer and expand and the internet protocol have a part of the packet. So for this one, so this is my first ICMP request message. So it is asking for what is my what is my IP address. I will go into the internet portion and it says this is my IP address right now. And then it says within the IP packet header, what is the value of upper layer protocol? So the upper layer protocol is this ICMP1. How many bytes are in IP address? So my the bytes I have in my header length is 20 and the total length is 5. So the left 36 would be my payload bytes. And then the fourth question, has this IP datagram been fragmented? So for this one, we are going in flags. We expand the flags, and over here it says more fragments. It says not set. So the answer would be no. There is no more IP diagram fragmented. And then it says which field in the IP diagram changed from one datagram. Now we have to find the which IP addresses changes from one to second. So we have this all things. We can see the identification number is changed. Then time to live is changed. And the checksum is changed. So that's the only three which are changing. And it says which field stay constant. The fields stay constant are ICMP, header checksum, flags, total length, source address, destination address. Everything is changed. Everything is constant. And the which of the field must stays constant. So it's the same thing. They all have to stay constant. And then it's asking for which field must change. So for this one, which must change, we are referring the question 5, that they are like must change fields. The 7, describe the pattern you see in the values in the identification field. This is my identification field. I'm going on this one. So this is this number for this one. So we can say that the identification field is continuously increases by time to time. And for you're taking this TTL. So generally it starts like 250. It should be have 64, 255, but right now over here we have 251 time to life. So it says that the it has like we already passed four identification field. So that's why we find 251 over here. But in my original assignment which I submitted in my paperwork, it says like 64. When I find that value from here, we have to look over here and this fields. Then does these values remain unchanged for all I see? So we can say that no, the values would be changed for each and everyone because the identification and time to live would be different for each and everyone. For this one, first we remove the search, then we'll put it like in this way. Then over here we see the fragmented. We will open this one. So here we are looking this IPv4. So it says that yes, it has more offsets because there over here it says of more fragment sets has like more. There is like more fragment sets. It would be yes. The answer of this question would be yes. And this is my first fragment. Then we have to print out the first fragment of the data. Fragmented what information in the IP? Errors indicate that the datagram been fragmented. What information in the IP header indicates? So for this question, we are looking on this. So we have to write what is the identification field, my IP header, and everything, and we can find all the answers from here. Then we have to print out the second fragment. The second fragment would be easy because for over here for the first one it says 1500. It has 0 and we have 20 bytes, so it should have 14 1480 for the second fragment, and we can see this is my this has like 1480 fragments, so this would be my second fragment, and we are printing this out for this one. Was here now it says what field in the IP headers, and for the IP headers for 3500 it would gives you three values. The one is 0, 1480, and 2460. And when it says how many fragments were created from the original datagram, so it would be three. So three because one is 0, 1480, and then 2560. And what fields change in the IP headers among the fragments? So we have to look for the uh, fragments and then we have to answer this question. So that's all for the first part. Thank you.